Hi, Ian. Can you talk for us? You were talking so much a second ago. Oh, there we go. Our happy little baby. He's just a little squirmy worm. Can you say, hi, Aunt Stephanie? You think that's funny? Yeah. Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. I'm sure I'm going to turn this off and he's just going to start making little cooey noises and everything as soon as I turn it off. Oh, there she's smiling. That's Daddy's hand in the background.
Hi, Mommy.
Okay, well now that we have about 2 minutes of this, I'm sure no one wants to watch 2 minutes of just... Actually, I would because you're so cute. Yes, you are. Okay. Okay, you're about to do something cute. I just know it. Not turned on. Daddy being silly. What are you saying? Yeah? He's looking up at his daddy. Daddy doesn't want to be seen because he's in his pajamas. Just looking up at you, Daddy. So cute. Look at you just following where you're going.
Yep.
He's like a genius.
He is a genius.
Can you talk to Daddy?
Feet are cold.
Yeah, they probably ought to put a blanket on him, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, let's put his socks on him because he'll take off the blanket.
Yeah.
I don't have the recorder on, so you can do something cute. Can make some cute noises. Yeah? What else do you want to say? Can you make some more cute noises? Because the tape recorder's not on. I'm just pretending. Mommy's silly. Okay. You found me out. I do have it on. But you can still do something cute. You getting hungry already? You're kind of stuffing that in your mouth like you're hungry. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. I don't know if you caught that on the videotape.
I don't think they did.
Got the hiccups, buddy? I'm just talking to Ian.
Okay.
He's got the hiccups. Oh, what's wrong? The hiccups making you uncomfortable?